Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I want to show you these cute finger pincushions. The part right here that holds the wool ball is a smooth, beautifully turned piece of wood. The loop is a nice elastic. It's a cord, not a flat piece of elastic. It's designed to go on most people's thumb or one of your bigger fingers. It's a felted wool ball. We all know about the felted wool balls. They are very nice to poke needles and pins into. These come in a variety of colors. There's cool colors and warmer colors. Be sure to look in the drop-down menu and choose the color you want. I hope you have enjoyed seeing these up close and personal. May you have many happy stitches. Thanks for watching.